Although fish is frequently promoted as a good source of protein and other vital nutrients, not all fish are made equally. Numerous fish species can be found in our oceans, some of which may be harmful to human health because of high contaminant levels or unsustainable fishing methods. We'll look at 5 fish species in this video that you might want to stay away from for the sake of both the planet's and your own health. 1. Shark. While shark meat is considered a delicacy in some regions of the world, it's also one of the worst seafood options. Sharks are susceptible to overfishing because of their slow growth and low rates of reproduction. Furthermore, shark meat frequently has high mercury concentrations, which are dangerous for human health, particularly for young children and pregnant women. Shark fin consumption has also been connected to cruel and unsustainable fishing methods, despite being a popular ingredient in some traditional Asian dishes. 2. Swordfish. Another well-known fish that must be handled carefully is swordfish. Similar to sharks, swordfish can have high mercury content, which can cause health issues if ingested in large amounts. Swordfish consumption should be restricted in particular for young children and pregnant women. Moreover, long lines are frequently used to catch swordfish, a fishing technique that may result in the bycatch of other marine animals, such as seabirds and endangered sea turtles. 3. Bluefin tuna. In the sushi and sashimi markets, bluefin tuna is highly prized for its rich, fatty flesh. It is one of the world's most overfished species, though. Due to intense fishing pressure, bluefin tuna populations have drastically decreased, and some conservation groups have called for a trade ban. Due to the enormous demand for bluefin tuna, prices have skyrocketed, which encourages unreported and illicit fishing. Bluefin tuna populations may be less negatively impacted by selecting different, more sustainable tuna species. 4. Chilean sea bass. The Patagonian toothfish, or Chilean sea bass, is a prime example of a fish with a misleading name. This fish, despite its catchy name, is not a sustainable option. Many Chilean sea bass populations have been reduced by overfishing, and the fishery is beset by problems like illicit fishing and false product labeling. Make sure you are not unintentionally adding to the extinction of this species when you eat out or shop for seafood. 5. Imported catfish. In the U.S., catfish is a popular option, but not all catfish are made equal. The safety and quality standards of domestically produced catfish may not be met by imported catfish, which is frequently sourced from nations like China and Vietnam. It is occasionally possible for imported catfish to have been raised under unfavorable circumstances and to contain pollutants or antibiotics that are not permitted for use in the U.S. Choose responsibly by looking for domestically raised catfish that follow more stringent guidelines. Selecting seafood that is safe and sustainable is crucial for the well-being of our oceans as well as for your own health. Although these 5 types of fish should be handled carefully, it's important to keep up with the conditions of our fisheries and choose wisely when it comes to consuming seafood. You can contribute to the preservation of marine ecosystems and guarantee a better future for our oceans and ourselves by choosing sustainable and well-managed fish species.